By default, users have the ability to add apps to their user portal. To disable this feature, log into the admin portal and navigate to Core Services, Policies, and open the default policy. Expand Application Policies and click User Settings. Here is the option to allow users to add personal apps to their portal. The default setting is Yes. If you don't want users to add their own apps or to prevent users from adding apps, change the drop-down to No. Click Save. And make sure the policy is in the right hierarchy on the policy table. The Add Apps button may still display, and users can add any recommended apps you've deployed. For more information, check out our online resources.